Nestled in the imposing and freezing Himalaya mountains is a creature that has been a true conundrum for centuries, awakening curiosity, fear, and fascination. This is Yeti, also known as the Abominable Snowman, a fabled creature, part man, part beast, that has captivated the imagination of explorers, scientists, and adventurers around the world. But just how much do we really know about the Yeti? Is it merely a piece of local mythology, or is there something else in the snowy depths that we still don't understand? Reports say that the Yeti is an impressive creature, over 2 meters tall, covered in a thick layer of fur. Its enormous feet form distinctive marks in the snow, which have fed legends and expeditions for centuries. But Yeti's background goes beyond a simple snow monster. Some stories describe it as a descendant of the Monkey King, a pivotal figure in Asian mythology, who is said to have united with an ogre. The myths say that this pairing gave rise to the Yeti. This mythical bond implies a fusion between the human and the divine, the animal and the spiritual, strengthening the mysterious and almost supernatural character of the Yeti. Similar creatures have emerged in different cultures in other parts of the world. For example, in the United States and Canada, the Bigfoot is strikingly similar to the Yeti. These resemblances raise intriguing questions. Are we facing a global phenomenon, or are they just cultural coincidences? Many adventurers and scientists have tried to find concrete proof of Yeti's existence over the years. These quests, filled with hope and fascination, have often returned with more questions than answers. Yet the truth about the Yeti is still a mystery. Between tales, legends, and conflicting evidence, the Abominable Snowman has remained a mystery, waiting to be unraveled. Countless reports of Yeti sightings have emerged over the years, some going back centuries, others more recent. These tales come from different parts of the Himalayas, told by locals, climbers, and explorers. Descriptions vary, but many agree on certain aspects. A large bipedal creature, fur-covered, with a ponderous gait and a penetrating gaze. Some people describe a terrifying roar, echoing through the mountains. Several photographs and videos purporting to capture the Yeti have emerged over time, arousing curiosity and skepticism. Many of these were subsequently debunked as fakes, but some remain unexplained. Footprints are another popular source of evidence. These large, distinctly contoured marks have been studied for decades. Some have been found to belong to known animals, while others remain a mystery. While the Yeti legends capture the popular imagination, the scientific community is searching for more palpable answers. One prevailing theory is that the Yeti legend may have emerged from encounters with Himalayan grizzly bears. Himalayan brown bears are huge, imposing, and can stand on 2 legs, something that could explain some of the observations reported as Yeti sightings. Their footprints, especially when distorted by the snow, can also be mistaken for those of a giant bipedal creature. Zoology and anthropology scholars offer insights into how Yeti legends may have developed. They study how different cultures interpret encounters with unknown wild animals, turning them into myths and legends. Science has taught us that fear of the unknown, coupled with observing unfamiliar animals, can lead to the birth of myths. In Yeti's case, the bear's physical characteristics and behaviors may have been magnified and transformed into stories of a mysterious creature. The Yeti holds a significant place in the culture of Himalayan communities. For many Sherpa peoples and other local ethnic groups, the Yeti is more than just a legend. It is an essential part of their cultural and spiritual heritage. Yeti is often associated with moral values and teachings. He epitomizes respect for nature and the mountains, considered sacred, and acts as a guardian of the secrets of the Himalayas. Apart from the Himalayan mountains, the Yeti has become an icon in global popular culture. It is featured in countless films, books, and television shows, often portrayed as a mysterious and ill-conceived creature. The Yeti has also become an increasingly important factor for tourism in the Himalayan region. Such global interest, nevertheless, raises questions about the balance between respect for local traditions and beliefs and the marketing of myths. As the Yeti legend is commodified, maintaining a respect for the culture that gave rise to it is essential. As the legend of the Yeti continues to stoke debate as to whether the creature is real or just a figment of the human mind that has taken root in its culture, the quest for answers goes on. Shrouded in stories, evidence, and legends, the mystery of the abominable snowman remains one of the biggest enigmas of our time.